Why don't you want to love me? Hi to all our viewers. Hello. Okay, bye. Thank you guys so much for bearing with us as we've taken a little bit of time from posting. I know it's been several weeks, and for which I am so sorry. Life happened and just got in the way. Things got a little crazy, so I'm hoping we're gonna be back on schedule now. We have this awesome food tour that we did while we were in San Diego a few weeks back, and super excited to show you that. We're gonna take a little bit of a different approach this time. I'm gonna narrate what we did while we were there because we had some, we'll call them audio issues. Anyway, super excited to do that for you, and stay tuned to the end of the vlog to get some new info, updates, and exciting information. So with that, let's get to the vlog. By now, you can definitely tell that San Diego is an absolutely beautiful place. One of our favorite things to do when we go to such a gorgeous place like this is to check out all of the restaurants. San Diego is a complete foodie town, and its surrounding areas like Ocean Beach, Pacific Beach, Imperial Beach, there's just a plethora of restaurants and so many different types that there is something for everyone. So we're gonna take you on a little tour of all of the places that we went to, and we'll give you some of our hits and misses, and yeah, we really wanna see what you guys think too, so let us know in the comments below. But for now, we're gonna get started at our first place.
So we stopped at Wonderland in Ocean Beach to have some drinks. It's right by the water, and really cool people so far. We got this, let me show you. Got this local beer, Cali Dad, and
a local margarita.
Miss Nell is having a local margarita. But it's super cool because this little town is like lined with all these shops, and there's a farmer's market going on today, and it's just wild. And I don't even know what to say, but we like the vibe, and so we're gonna have these drinks, and I don't know what's going on next. So, but we'll check.
Get some tacos. Some tacos at Mike's Tacos, right?
Oh yeah, I think we might hit that up. Yeah, it's a good idea.
Famous Mike's Tacos, apparently.
Yeah, so we might hit up Mike's for some tacos, but yeah, so we're gonna finish these drinks and head on out. So we'll catch you later. Want to start this off?
Sure. So we're in Ocean Beach. We have stopped by Mike's Taco, which apparently is an amazing place for tacos and burritos. One of the best places in San Diego County.
And it's right down the sidewalk from Hodads.
Yes, which we will get to at some point in this food tour.
You can't go wrong. It's like, I feel like two iconic places practically right next to each other.
Absolutely. So we're going to try, I think we all got fish tacos.
Yeah, and I got like a trio of a bunch of different fish. So
yeah, so we'll try them and report.
All right.
Okay. I ordered the battered fish taco, and it comes with a bunch of sauces. We have no idea what they are. This is some like red creamy sauce. Spicy. No, not that one. This one is like white, green, I don't know. And then we have a salsa that is so incredibly spicy. So if you like spicy, eat this. If you don't, don't. I put all of them on my taco. So
what could go wrong here?
All right. Let's give it a shot.
Yes, enjoying hers in the background.
I can't pick it up, it's falling apart. That's so
That's good.
unbelievable.
And it's all over you.
Oh my god, so good. Yeah, I don't care. It's so good. You can taste like the corn is fresh in the tortilla. The onion, the cabbage, like the fish is really hot, super crispy. The flavors are so good. I've never had anything like it. It's just so good. You should probably eat it.
Yeah.
And next up, we decided to visit Hodads, which has one of the best burgers in the country. Okay, we're at Hodads. This is one of the must-go-tos in San Diego, and you have to get the bacon cheeseburger. That's all the rage. So, Jessica and I got the bacon cheeseburger. Kenny got a mini one, and Jessica and I split the whole one. So it would be massive. This is a half a burger on its own. So I'm gonna give it a try. Oh my god. It looks so messy. Holy. Alright, here we go.
A burger.
It's a really good burger. It's so juicy. It's so juicy. I would definitely recommend this. It's so good. And next up, we decided to visit Duke's in La Jolla for a little lunch where we had a Hawaiian-style plate lunch. I had the huli huli chicken, which I would definitely recommend. This is a 60-pound cheese wheel?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Cheese wheel straight from Italy.
And then there's this place named Bencoto, which is in the Little Italy section of San Diego, in downtown San Diego. What kind of pasta is this?
It's a shell's pasta with formaggi on top, bacon.
This is definitely going on my YouTube channel.
For sure.
It was absolutely amazing. Fresh handmade pastas. This one in particular that I was having was a chef's dish, which was a special for the day, but it consisted of handmade gnocchi and was tossed around in this massive, awesome cheese wheel. All right, you guys, I figured if I was coming to San Diego, I needed to find the absolute best avocado toast of my life. So we hopped over to this little cafe called Parakeet Cafe in Little Italy in the downtown area of San Diego. And I'll have to say, it wasn't my favorite. The bread was so overly crunchy that it really just kind of tore up the inside of your mouth. And the flavors were fresh, but it wasn't overly done, which is fine, but there wasn't a lot going on either. So everybody else enjoyed their food, but I just thought that maybe there might be better somewhere else in the city. So this was kind of a miss, but hey, to each his own.
Jessica, what do you have?
Oh, I have eggs Benedict with roasted tomatoes, pesto hollandaise over some crunchy bread with some, what I'm assuming is like mashed avocado.
Yeah, it looks delicious.
Yeah, so far so good.
I can record you.
Yeah. All right, so I got the breakfast burrito, which is eggs, potatoes. There's some salsa verde that came with it, and it looks fantastic. So I'm gonna try to dip in here a little bit, and I'm gonna go after it. So. Oh man. There's something on like a sour cream almost. It's so good. Oh. Yeah, let's go.
Give a little.
Oh. Pardon me. So we just came over to Coronado, actually down to Coronado, which is from where we are, a few miles on the 5, drive south, across the bridge, and another cool small town. They all are cool. But we're at Coronado Brewing Company right now.
Yeah.
So having a few beers, gonna have some tacos.
And a seltzer.
Oh yeah, that's right. There's a seltzer. Jessica is having a beer. And I have a beer, Lime Time. It's a really great Mexican lager with lime. We ordered some tacos, some nachos, and we're just gonna kind of grub out a little bit, and then walk around. We plan on driving south and just driving along the coast and sightsee a little bit. So we'll take you along for the ride. We'll also show you the food when it comes out.
Pickled vegetables.
We'll let-
so good.
Here goes nothing.
We'll let Jessica dig in
Yeah.
here and let her do the honors.
Chips are nice and hot.
Yeah.
Crunchy.
Nell's up next.
Do it all.
The nacho.
Yeah.
I'm struggling. These are legit.
They look
So good.
I'm gonna stop filming now and eat some.
So good.
All right, so the tacos just came out. We have Wahoo tacos.
Grilled Wahoo tacos with garlic fries, which smells so good.
Yeah, they do. And I have what the heck did I order?
Battered cod.
Battered cod.
Yeah.
With coleslaw. So we're about to dig into this.
Yeah.
Let's see. This good thing we
Gonna
shared.
let the ladies.
Right.
They're
Good thing
splitting
we
their
shared.
tacos because we plan on stopping on the way south.
To get more tacos.
Yeah,
To get more
tacos.
tacos.
Really good.
I put the pico on the side for you.
Oh, thanks.
It's like somebody approves.
That doesn't suck.
Oh my god, it's like a big piece of fish.
Yeah.
It's really good. I've never even heard of Wahoo fish, but it's good. It's nice and it's very meaty.
At this point in the trip, we were still on the hunt for the best tacos in the San Diego area. And we definitely found it. Elsino, it was just right outside of Imperial Beach. Amazing tacos, super authentic and just incredibly fresh. And we all enjoyed them. I think they were definitely the best tacos that we had on our trip.
Carne asada, carnitas.
These are Nell and I's, yeah.
What were these? I don't remember.
Bira. It's with the juice on them. See the juice?
The juice.
They look so good.
They do.
The juice.
All right, so this is the carnitas pork, some onions, cilantro, I believe. And these are handmade tortillas. Their website said they make them by hand every day. And these things are like $3 a piece. It's like wild. That's really good.
How are the birria tacos?
It's like, authentic like street tacos.
Okay.
Yeah.
We got a couple sauces to try here. Our last stop on this trip was to a place called Breakfast Republic, which has amazing breakfast food and brunch. And they have several locations, but the one that we went to was by the airport in Liberty Station. And I gotta say, it was so amazing, but if you get one thing and one thing only, get the Jurassic bacon. You will thank me later. All right, you guys, I promised you some new information and some even exciting updates. So here they are. First and foremost, part of the reason why we've been so busy lately is because of all of the stuff going on in my new businesses. So, and yes, I said businesses. So first off, I know I've mentioned this before, I wrote a book. It is a #1 bestseller in women in business on Amazon, at least it was. It is called Curvature of the Career. So I will link it below. Go ahead and grab a copy. It's a short read, but it's inspiring and motivational, gives you a little bit of background on my story. Secondly, I am now an international motivational speaker. So I will also link details below to the events. This year I'll be speaking in Las Vegas, next year in Tampa and the Dominican Republic. So stay on the lookout for more details on those events. And I think that's kind of it for, oh no, it's not it for the moment. So my newest business venture is coaching. I have a new website that I would highly recommend you visit if you're looking for a coach. I'm calling myself a symmetry coach because I help people find balance between their work, life, relationships, and everything else in between. So if you're looking for a coach, I am looking to take on new clients. So I will also link that website below, and feel free to contact me via email or set up a consultation and let's chat, and I'll get to know you a little bit better. So that being said, those are all of the announcements for the moment. I'm hoping that we're gonna be back on our regular posting schedule, so the next video following this one should be all of the fun things to see and do around San Diego. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel. That really helps us out and we so appreciate it. So thanks so much, and yeah, we'll see y'all later.